Looking at this USDZAR on the weekly time frame, as I always do every day, I have to spot my lowest low of the market, which is that point over there, and I have to spot my highest high of the market, which is going to be that level right there, right? So now that we have spotted our playground of the market, which is these areas right here, which the market moved from supply to demand, and from demand we moved back to supply, right? So looking at how the market approached this area right here, the market approached that area in a form of a structure, that structure being the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then the higher high, right? So what is it that we expect from this market as the market approached the highest level of the market in a series of higher highs and higher lows? We expect the market to turn when the market reaches the third touch of this trend right here, which is our first touch right there, second touch right there, and then we expect our third touch from that level right there, right? So we also have that 1 2 3 formation on the lowest level of the market, which is going to be that point right over there, 1 2, and then we move to the upside, right? So now that we have spotted our clear up trending market, now we have to figure out or to identify point of high interest or areas of value, or where the market is more likely to turn, right? So now that the market has already approached our areas of value, when we look onto our left side of the market, we expect the market to maybe reach that level right there for that third touch before we see the market pushing all the way to the downside, right? So what we have to do right now is to spot what is really happening right here on this weekly time frame, right? So now that we have spotted that lowest level of the market, which is our demand level, and we have spotted our highest level, which is our supply level, we have to spot other areas of interest or areas of value, because we have this inside pattern right here, right? So we have to find a reason why the market is gonna push all the way to this level here for that third touch, or maybe the market will just create that double top formation right there and then continue moving to the downside. But what I can see right now on this weekly time frame is that we have an overall structure, which is a 1 2 3 formation, which is that level right there, first touch, second touch. We expect the third touch maybe around those levels right there, right? And then we have that 1 2 3 formation, which is being formed on the lowest level of the market. We have our first touch right there, second touch right there, and then we expect the market to come back to these levels right there, right? So we have spotted our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we are going back for that higher high, right? So meaning to say, if the market is moving in this series of higher highs and higher lows, we expect the market to turn if the market reaches this third touch of the overall structure, which is this area right here. And if the market reaches these areas right here, it would mean that the market has also come back for the third touch of this inside pattern, right? Pattern within a pattern, which means that now we have multiple confirmations, or we have multiple things to look for if we are gonna be involved in this USDZAR, right? So if the market reaches these areas right here, we are just gonna wait and see what happens after the market reaches after the market reaches these higher highs right here, we're just gonna wait for this USDZAR to indicate whether it's gonna change its direction to move to the downside, because we have this overall structure and then we also have this pattern within a pattern. So now it's just a matter of waiting and waiting and waiting and just waiting,